Hey, welcome. If you've ever wanted to create a stunning music video without a camera crew, a director, or any editing skills, you're going to love this. This is Sondo AI, and in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use it, step by step. First things first. Sondo is an AI-powered platform that transforms music into high-quality, visually stunning music videos. Head to the App Store or Google Play, search for **Sondo** and download it. Once it's installed, open the app and create your free account. It only takes about 30 seconds. Now here's where the fun begins. Sondo gives you 2 powerful ways to get started. Option A. Generate a music video from your song. Upload your audio file or paste a music link, and Sondo will automatically generate a synchronized music video to match it. Option B. Create original music from scratch. Enter keywords or select a music style, and Sondo's AI will instantly generate a song. It supports multiple genres: pop, electronic, rap, jazz, classical, and more. Once you've got your track ready, the AI takes over. The platform automatically analyzes melodies, lyrics, and emotional cues to create storylines and scene layouts, using millisecond-level syncing and advanced lip-sync technology to bring everything together smoothly. You can also choose a template or AI style, set an aspect ratio, and optionally enter a prompt to guide the visuals. Want something romantic? Sci-fi? City vibes? Abstract art? You pick the mood. Now let's make it yours. You can customize MV scenes, filters, effects, and visual styles, with a real-time rendering preview to fine-tune your creativity. The platform enables real-time creative intervention, offering instant rendering previews that allow adjustments to plot lines, effects, and scene transitions mid-generation. No complicated software. No steep learning curve. Just you and your creativity. When you're happy with how it looks, it's time to export. Its fully automated pipeline removes barriers to professional quality production. After uploading your materials, you receive an HD, studio-level music video within minutes, without any manual editing. Then, instantly published to major social platforms, showcase your work within the Sondo community, and track your success with play counts, likes, and favorites. And here's the best part. You retain 100% ownership of all music and MVs created with Sondo, and you can freely distribute, publish, and monetize your content across platforms. And that's it. That's Sondo AI, from AI music generation to stunning MV creation, transforming your sound into social-ready content in seconds with no editing skills required. Go try it out and drop your first music video today. See you in the next one.